Welcome to the Computer System Management lecture on scheduling tasks, user accounts and remote connection. Let's have a look on what we are going to learn in this lecture. We are going to learn about cron daemon. We are going to understand what exactly it is. We are going to learn about scheduling tasks through cron tab commands and editing the cron tab table. And we'll explore various options of cron tab commands like cron tab -e, cron tab -l, -r. We'll also learn how to add new user accounts to Linux, change owner and groups of a folder, how to delete a user account, and how to securely copy files between hosts on a network, and how to execute commands on a remote machine. Have you ever wanted to run some script or program every week or every month? Have you wanted to take some regular backups but forgot to do so periodically? You can use cron to do so. Basically, cron is a system daemon used to execute desired tasks at designated times. These tasks are performed in the background. Cron is driven by a cron tab, which is a configuration file that specifies shell commands to run periodically on a given schedule. It is edited with a command line utility. These commands and their runtimes are then controlled by the cron daemon, which executes them in the background even if the user is not logged on into the system. Each user has his own cron tab file.
Some useful cron tab switches are cron tab -l lists user cron table, cron tab -e creates a new cron table, cron tab -r removes a cron table and all scheduled jobs. Cron tables have the following field structure in a straight line. First being the minute, second the hour, third day of the month, fourth month of year, fifth day of week, 0 or 7 being Sunday, and 1 to 6 Monday to Saturday. Here's an example. To schedule the shell script doomsday.sh to run at 4:44 am on December 21st, irrespective of the weekday. 44 for the minute, 4 for the hours, 21 for the day of the month, 12 the month of the year, and asterisk for the day of the week, cause it doesn't matter, and the script doomsday.sh. Here's another example. To schedule scan.sh to run at 11:11 am every Thursday of each week. 11 for the minute, 11 for the hours, a wildcard for the day of the month, another for month of the year, cause they doesn't matter, and 4 or Thursday for the day of the week, and script scan.sh. Note, /etc/cron.allow and /etc/cron.deny control who can and cannot use cron.
More comprehensive information can be found on man-cron. A new cron table can be created by typing cron tab -e. Typing sudo nano cron tab -e and choosing option number 2, we get the basic layout of the cron table. This cron table includes instruction on how to fill the cron table to schedule any task. To create an entry to run a command at 2:04 am daily, we type 04 for minutes, 02 for hours, star for the day of the month, star for the month of the month, and a star for the day of the week. And we type run /etc/cron.daily to run the process cron.daily, and we save the file. Now to list the cron table that we have just created, we type cron tab -l. This shows the whole. To delete the cron table we have just created, we type cron tab -r. Now listing the cron table, we will see that no cron table is accessible for the
terminal. First of all, type the following command to add a new user. Just mention any name you want to, just like. Now assign a password for this new user with this command. Now the password has been updated successfully. Now we will now create a new home directory for this new user with this command. I'll name the same username at the home directory directly. Now we have successfully created a new home directory with home/name. Now run this command to change the owner of the home/username to this new user. Now grant access to this new user to home/username with this command. So now we have successfully created a new user. This user account will begin to appear in the login window at the Ubuntu startup. Now we have successfully added a new user account. Now we'll check it. Now we can see that the new user name has been created. Delete that new user account we just created by the following command. Now we have successfully deleted the new user name from a computer. Now we'll check it again. As you can see that we have successfully deleted name from our user account.